create a new const variable called checkpoint detection rules. Okay, but first let's write the const and then the name of the variable, which should be checkpoint detection rules. Okay, and assign it to an empty array. Inside that array, add a boolean expression that checks if the player's position x is greater than or equal I'm sorry, excuse me, greater or equal to the checkpoint's position x. So let's say let's access the newly instantiated object named player first, and then its instance property, which is the position, and then its property, which is the x. So greater than or equal. Wait, how do you do that? To the checkpoints. Oh, it's basically that one. So let's also add a checkpoint and then position and x. Nice.